Making money online fast without any upfront investment is possible by leveraging free resources and your skills. Here are 5 effective methods to get started quickly. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn money online without spending any money. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer services such as writing, graphic design, or virtual assistants. You can create a profile and start bidding on jobs right away. Even if you're new, focusing on small, quick tasks can help you build a portfolio, gain reviews, and increase your rates over time. 2. Online surveys and microtasks. While not a high-income option, online surveys and microtasks offer a quick way to earn some cash. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay you to complete simple tasks like filling out surveys, watching videos, or performing data entry. These tasks are easy to do in your spare time and can provide a small but steady stream of income. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or share a sale for free and start sharing your affiliate links on social media, blogs, or YouTube channels. If you create content that drives traffic and sales, you can start earning commissions quickly. 4. Selling digital products. If you can create digital content like ebooks, printables, or courses, you can sell them online without any upfront costs. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy allow you to list and sell digital products with no initial fees, providing a quick way to earn passive income. 5. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, offering online tutoring can be a fast way to make money. Websites like tutor.com and Chegg allow you to sign up as a tutor and start teaching students right away. You can also offer your services independently through social media or online communities. To sum up, making money online fast with no money is achievable by leveraging your skills and using free platforms. Whether through freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or tutoring, you can start generating income quickly with the right strategy and consistency. Have you tried using any of these strategies yet? Which method would you like to pursue to make money online? Please leave a comment and join in on the discussion.